Hello everyone! This is the channel Nice Jewelry and Decor, where you may find many ideas concerning decor and jewelry. In this video you will see how to make a present at home. This is a really wearsome project totally made at home. This Lifehack gift is very simple, it is completely easy to make, even your child can handle it. The first step is to decide concerning a tracery. We have offered to make like this. Now we placed all kinds of pasta on our present. Having laid them in the form that suits us, we begin to fasten. To make this, we need glue. The first, the second, the third. Don't switch. After a minute, you will know how to make a present at home. Different kinds of pasta should be replaced. And the last one. So, our present making at home is almost ready. To make it look more attractive, we paint additional ornament. Voila! So, our present from natural products is almost ready. To make it look more attractive, we paint an additional ornament. Not only a tree can be beautified with pasta. It is possible to ornament paddle and fork like this. Such a Lifehack present is not only pleasant, but useful as well. A woman, for example, can use this gift as a decor element and hang it on the kitchen wall. Create and be inspired with the nice jewelry and decor. Press like and subscribe our channel so as not to miss something new and interesting.